What's up, internet? Welcome to Vlog5. That's how it's done. This vlog's the door install and the is flagship in Charleston? Is that what that's called?
Charlestown, yeah.
Charlestown? So yeah, this one is the door install in Charlestown.
So how was your week?
I had a great week.
Are we recording?
I think so. Is it blinking right up there?
Yeah, we got a red. Yeah, you're recording.
Yeah, we're good.
You're
We're
live.
golden.
So how was your week?
Had a good week. So yeah, this week we did a time lapse of this nice new door that we got installed to bring some beautiful light into the office.
And some fresh air. Don't forget the fresh air.
Oh, fresh air. It's been a lovely week. It's been very warm. It's about to be 70 degrees today, which is ridiculous. What else? Yeah, well, I'll show you some of the door. The door is pretty cool. Dave and Tim installed the door. Also, the electrical boys were wiring 2 bedrooms at Flagship Wharf in Charlestown.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Now we won't go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got few more days to slay, it's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
Thanks for watching. Come back next week for vlog number 6. And that's pretty much it. Everything's...
We're in 6 already.
This one that we're about to drop is vlog 5. Check out the hat. You don't like the hipster coffee?